Jack Chapman with Auto Repair Shop Success. In case you missed our last video, we're covering process implementation. Today, we're diving into the forming stage of the Tuckman model. So what is forming? Forming is the process of putting the team together and establishing roles to create an accelerated implementation of standard operating procedures. This is where roles are assigned, expectations are set. This is where the vision and the mission is clear. So let's look at an example. I want to pre-book every oil change or maintenance customer for their next appointment in our shop. So we start forming. We discuss who's responsible for that scheduling. We discuss why we're doing this process. We discuss the expectation and specifics. For example, we're currently booking 12% of those customers, and I will follow up next month, and I'd like for us to be at 20%. When we go over the SOP for pre-booking, provide structure and direction. Give them a direct line of communication to the leader of that project. Join us next week when we talk about storming. And if you enjoy this content, use it whenever and wherever you can. Like and share these with others. And as always, reach out to us if you feel like you need some extra help. We can't wait to see you.